Hello, my name is Archit Singh and this is my model for Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-2 is the second lunar exploration mission developed by Indian Space Research Organization. The main scientific objective is to map and study the variations in lunar surface composition as well as the location and abundance of lunar water. The spacecraft was launched on its mission to the moon from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh on 22 July 2019 by a GSLV Mark III M1, and it reached the moon's orbit on 20 August 2019. The lander and the rover were scheduled to land on the near side of the moon in the South Polar region on 6 September 2019. However, the lander crashed when it deviated from its intended trajectory due to a software glitch. But Indian Research Space Organization, or ISRO, has not given up, and it may try to reattempt by Chandrayaan-3. Thank you.